The directions for this activity say, what fact family could match each of the arrays below? You can write on a separate sheet of paper. An example is done for you. So let's look at this example over here. I see an array. The array has 3 rows and 4 columns. I can represent that array using a couple of multiplication facts. I have 3 times 4 equals 12. I also have 4 times 3 equals 12. I can think about an array and division as well. If I have 12 total squares in my array, and I break those 12 squares into 4 equal groups, there are 3 squares in each group. Or I have 12 total squares, and I can break them into 3 equal groups, and there are 4 squares in each group. This is my fact family. These are 4 related facts that use the same numbers to describe my array. Your job is to come up with the 4 related facts to create a fact family for each of the arrays down here. You don't have to type your answers anywhere on the slides. Go ahead and do it on a separate sheet of paper. Each fact family should have 2 multiplication and 2 division facts. Good luck!